So in 2023, we had the NIST, the National Institute for Standards and Technology in the US, announced the first set of standards in post-quantum cryptography. So cryptographic algorithms that are secure against quantum computers. Companies should actually be anticipating that in the next 5 to 10 years, they will need to replace their existing solutions with ones which are post-quantum secure. Well, that means you just have to have the processes in place to be crypto-agile. But you should always have processes in place to be crypto-agile. So a good organization should be already able to do this kind of switching out. But if you're not yet ready to do that, what you need to do is kind of get yourself in a position where you are able to understand your crypto assets, what algorithms you're using and when, what keys are you using and when, understand that for your whole organization, and then you'll be better positioned to be able to make the migration. The quantum apocalypse, or the crypto quantum apocalypse, is the following problem. Suppose you think someone's going to build a quantum computer in 5 years' time. That might be possible, and in 5 years' time, all of the existing crypto algorithms are broken. So you kind of think that this means that at the point of 5 years' time, you need to start doing all your cryptography using post-quantum crypto, crypto that's secure against a quantum computer. But that's not true, because now you could be creating a document that you want to be secure in 10 years' time. It could be that you've got your will, and you hope to live over 5 years, so you expect to live for another 20 years, so you write a will, but you want this will to be encrypted. But if it's encrypted with current technology, or the current technology that's mainly deployed, in 5 years' time, the quantum computer comes along and is able to decrypt your will. So what you need to do is you need to estimate when you think a quantum computer will come along, and then work back from there of when you need to start encrypting documents. Because if the point of a quantum computer coming along is before the sensitivity of the document degrades, then you need to start encrypting those sensitive documents now with post-quantum technology. So this is a big problem. So companies need to organize themselves so they're really agile in a cryptographic sense, to be able to switch algorithms quickly, and for documents which have a big longevity, they need to encrypt with post-quantum algorithms as soon as possible. A big problem is in the quantum migration is one of digital signatures, because it's not just encryption that we use cryptography for, we also use cryptography to sign a document. So I've signed the deeds of my house electronically. So I own the house. I hope to own the house in 30 or 40 years' time. But if the algorithm to sign the house is not quantum secure, when a quantum computer is built, someone could break it and then actually kind of rejig the signature and actually make it look like someone else had signed the deed of my house. So instead of I'm owning the house, the attacker owns the house. So anything that we need to maintain the signature for a long period of time, we need the algorithm to be secure in a post-quantum setting as well.